In this video, we're going to address a question from a viewer named Sarah. Sarah wanted to know how after we installed this brand new window, how we were going to finish off the outside. Well, after a long wait, we're finally getting to it. We're going to do a maintenance-free install. Pretty much have this one already done. We have our PVC trim, we have our J-channel, and then once we install our vinyl siding, oh yeah, it's going to look real sweet. Behind me though, we have a window and we'll trim that one out together. Don't miss it. Brand new windows have these nailing fins, and if you install piece by piece, the nailing fin is going to cause each piece of siding to cock a little bit, and you're never going to line everything up nice. But if you pre-assemble it, it all goes on nice and level, and we just have to put on a few nails to finish it off. This video is a part of a series where I'm redoing everything on the outside of my house, so if you like this kind of stuff, follow along. The first piece of trim that we're going to measure and cut is the head casing. Now the head casing is the width of the window plus the width of each piece of trim on the window, and then a gap, and that's going to be between the window and the casing, and that's going to allow for expansion and contraction. Next, we're going to measure and cut the two sides. Now the sides is the height of the window plus the height of the trim below the window. Then we have to factor in each gap. That's the gap below the window and above the window. So a total of 3/8 for the gap. Then finally, we just have to measure the bottom piece. This is just the width of the window plus each gap on each side of the window. So 3/16 plus 3/16 is 3/8. All right, so we have our head casing cut, we have our two sides, and then we have our bottom. So I am gonna combine this all with some pocket screws, and then I'm gonna glue it with some PVC glue. Using a combination of pocket screws and glue is really an easy but effective method for installing trim. I've used this on interior trim and exterior trim like you see here. Now, AZEK does sell a specific glue to use with their trim. It's expensive though. It's like 49 bucks for a tub of the glue. I think I have a picture of it coming up here, but I was just using regular PVC cement for 9 bucks as opposed to 49 bucks like you see here. The AZEK does have a longer opening time though. It's a little more forgiving. The PVC glue, you have to work a little faster. So we're just gonna make sure that we have even spacing on the sides. We're a little off on the bottom here. All right, so I've been using these smaller stainless steel nails, and if I really wanted to, this is the second floor, I don't know how much you'll see it, but if you really wanted to, you could put a little bit of paint on them. So we're gonna throw one up in this corner. We have a fat gap here, that one kind of small, so we are gonna cheat it over a hair. We don't want things to be too wonky. Yeah, so we're perfectly level, and if we just cheat it over a little, it's really no big deal. So it's really hanging there by 2 nails. I'll put a few more on the sides and then a couple more in the bottom. They're a little too... Okay, so our trim's in place. It's looking good. Now, if you were going to do wood siding or some kind of like engineered siding, you would butt it up next to the PVC. A lot of them require a gap, so you would just follow whatever the manufacturer says. But we're doing vinyl siding, so we have J-channel. We're going to install J-channel together. The J-channel is going to go around the exterior of this window. And if you noticed, and it's the same thing on that other window, typically the trim comes out further, or the trim is thicker than the J-channel. But in this scenario, the scenario I have, the J-channel is out further. Now, this doesn't bother me. I kind of think it looks nice. You know, I'm not an architect, but I think they talk about shadow lines and layering. It doesn't bother me. I think it looks nice. It's just something different. So I'm going to leave it as is. So we'll start trimming out this J-channel together. Vinyl siding is not something that I do every day. In fact, this project is my first time doing vinyl siding. And this is how I've determined that's a pretty easy way to trim out a window or trim out anything with J-channel. You measure the width of the window and add 1 inch on each side. And you cut out
the same length as our window?
This flat portion here, like you see here. Then I'm going to tack that in place. Now, really, you don't have to measure. You can just kind of mark everything in place and then cut it like you see here. So I'm just marking the location of my 45. Also gives me a spot to mark that bottom piece of J-channel to cut. So I'm cutting my 45. I bend that other tab back once I cut the back, and I just push it in place. And really, it's a nice, clean look. It's a lot better than just kind of butting it up. So cut my 45, cut the back, I bend that tab back, and that's going to slide into the bottom piece. So for the top piece, again, I leave the side long, and you just mark everything in place. You don't have to measure. So I mark that in place with the top piece, and then I cut my 245s and just slide everything in. So this is only the second window I've ever done, and I think it came out pretty nice, especially if you take your time. And, you know, I might have had to redo one of these one time, you know, no big deal. But I think it came out nice. If I can do it, you certainly can do it as well. For our final step, we're going to install a good quality caulk along each side of the window and along the bottom as well. We're going to leave caulk off the top. We have a piece of kick-out flashing there, and caulk would just mess up the whole assembly. If you're curious on why, I have other videos where we install the windows that are waterproof, and we're going to install some vinyl siding. So if you're curious, make sure you check those videos out. All right, Sarah, there you have it. Let me know if you got any questions. I think it came out looking pretty sweet. See ya.